This tutorial will show you how to replace your stock Atlas grip tape with the extra grippy competition grip tape. Before starting, make sure the surface of the deck is clean and dry. Start by using a hairdryer or heat gun to loosen the old grip tape. Slowly peel off the old grip tape pieces. Avoid leaving adhesive residue on the deck. When handling the competition grip tape, be aware that it's extremely coarse. It can scratch your skin if you're not careful, so consider wearing gloves. With the competition grip tape facing down, remove the cutout pieces using a razor blade or utility knife. Save the inner pieces for the letters E, A, and D. You'll need them later. With the new grip tape aligned on the deck, peel off part of the paper backing from the front tip. Don't peel off the whole thing. Gently apply the grip tape to the front of the deck. If you need to realign the grip tape, carefully pull it off and reapply. Peel off some more of the backing and stick on more of the grip tape. Keep going until the new grip tape is fully applied. Firmly press down on the grip tape to ensure it sticks to the deck. Stick on the inner pieces for the letters E, A, and D. Remove the centerpiece if you'll be displaying a race number. All done. Now put on your protective gear and get ready to race.